Jenna, you ready for a ride?
I'm ready.
Alyssa, are you ready? Tyler, are you ready? And I'm ready. Let's go. You see the beautiful butterflies? Look at the birds in there, the parrots.
Oh, yeah. She doesn't care for the birds. We're with her at the hotel.
Oh, yeah.
The lobby.
Yeah.
Ah, pero no tenemos.
Alyssa. Alyssa. Alyssa.
Hold on.
Tyler, put your face around them like you did before. Were you trying to kiss one? Tyler and the butterflies.
Retrátate con ese ahí. Mira, aquí, Jorge.
Tyler.
¿Tienes flash o no?
Can I lift you up a little bit? Ooh.
Es que el mío tiene flash.
Isn't it pretty? Okay. Want to go over there with her?
Con el vapor de la gasolina. Lo más seguro la copa que tiene, como es una copa de
Hi, Nana.
I love you, Nana.
Did you see the birds?
And the butterflies.
And the butterflies?
Are you ready to go?
Can you just go sit in the middle? Let the kids sit on the outside.
Hey, no. Hey, okay, you want to sit in the middle?
Right here.
I'll sit. I'm sorry. Let me sit on the outside, Tyler, so you can see.
Why don't you
Or let
sit
me
on the
in
edge, on that edge, so you can look out the window?
The door will close, right, when we come
Yeah.
around here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here we go.
Arthur.
Oh, there's Eric and Jen.
That's
Waving us
her.
off. See, wave to Uncle Eric and Auntie Jen.
Wait, Uncle Eric, Auntie Jen.
Hello.
Hello.
We're leaving outside.
No, we're waiting for
Going
him.
back down to the bottom of the mountain. Look at this. We'll go over the side.
Oh, should we be upset that we're leaving Uncle Eric and Auntie Jen?
They'll catch us. They'll be right behind us,
Whoa. Yep, they'll be in the next train, Alyssa.
Nana. Say wave to those people.
Hello.
You guys want to look?
AJ.
Stand up. I'll hold you. Don't stick your fingers out. Look at the sides.
Tyler, what did you see that was fun today? Anything?
Keep your nose inside.
This was fun.
What
This
did you
is
do?
fun. Did you tell Mommy and Daddy about the butterflies? Did you see some butterflies?
I see some butterfly.
Did you?
Yeah.
What kind of butterflies?
What color?
Oh,
Orange?
See a monarch butterfly?
you lost it. It's a dirt.
Ew.
You can't see my eye.
Because of the dirt? You washed it with dirt. You can't see my eye. Did you see anybody ziplining? So yes.
No, we couldn't see
Yeah, we were
any.
pretty much in the forest the whole time.
Butterfly.
You washed the butterflies or you watched?
I lost it.
You watched it?
What was it doing? Was it flying around?
No, it's my second.
It was clapping it? No, no, hands inside. Hands inside.
So we took a little hike.
Hey,
Did
there.
you?
No, you get your fingers inside this car.
What's this
I'm gonna
hole?
ask Eric.
It's just for air. For air.
I was
This is
dead.
my car.
That climbing that hill?
This
Is
is
this
kind
the
of
end?
a car.
Yeah.
No, it's orange.
It's like a gondola.
I would
Get your hands
actually
inside the
say
gondola.
that only
Can you
slightly
wave?
less
You
steep
wanna wave
than
to other
that
people?
was one of the hills on our run. Wave.
Wave.
Oh, nobody in that one. And there's nobody in that one.
Listen, can you hear all the birdies? Can you hear all the birdies singing?
There you go.
Let's sing it.
Now people are up there deaf.
Yeah. Tiff should have won.
We should show them that fern, Andy. They're like passed out or whatever.
Let it go. Can't turn it back.
What was that?
I got it off.
Thumb inside. Thumb inside.
Let it go.
Fingers inside.
Are you gonna yell at your daughter?
Hey, get your, what she got? Hey, get your hand back in here. I rely on the boss view.
You got a puff of air?
Hey, you gotta sit back down, buddy.
Hey, guess who's in that one up there behind us?
Oh, way up
Eric and
there.
Auntie Jen.
Do you want me to hold this for you?
Can't see anything.
Yeah,
see
they're
what
kind of far.
No, I know. Please.
Hmm?
I know it.
So did you like this jungle, Tyler?
That farm is for sale. That farm is for sale.
Somebody play music.
Play music.
This is what you remember about Puerto Rico. Everyone plays music loud.
Yeah, that's what Jen's post.
It's shirt. Puerto Rico, we turn it up to 11.
But it's all of the islands of South America. Like really, like we've been the resort. I mean, obviously, like Uncle Jack's is quiet there, but like.
Excuse
Usually
me.
you
Yeah.
hear a lot of music playing.
Even
So,
it's-
has everybody enjoyed the day at the rainforest?
Yes.
Okay, Tyler and AJ gonna say goodbye to the camera.
Say bye to the camera. Wave. What camera? You didn't know I was recording.